Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your outdoor spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're diving into a garden secret that will truly transform your outdoor space. The incredible world of layered flower garden beds. If you've ever admired gardens that seem to burst with life, color, and depth, chances are they're utilizing this fantastic design technique. Let's explore how you can bring this magic to your own home. So, what exactly are layered flower garden beds? Simply put, it's a design approach where you arrange plants of varying heights, textures, and bloom times in distinct rows or sections within the same garden bed. Imagine your garden as a living tapestry, with different threads woven together to create a rich, multi-dimensional display. Instead of a flat, uniform row of flowers, you create depth and visual interest by placing taller plants at the back, medium-height plants in the middle, and shorter, often spreading plants at the front. This technique mimics nature, where plants often grow in diverse heights, creating a more organic and visually appealing flow. It's about building vertical interest and ensuring that every plant gets its moment to shine, without being overshadowed by its neighbors. The benefits of incorporating layered flower garden beds into your landscape are truly abundant. Firstly, they maximize visual impact. By utilizing different plant heights, you create a sense of depth and three-dimensionality that a flat bed simply can't achieve. This makes your garden more dynamic and captivating from every angle. Secondly, layered beds can extend your garden's beauty throughout the seasons. By carefully selecting plants with staggered bloom times, you can ensure there's always something in flower, providing continuous color and interest from spring to fall, and even winter, depending on your climate and plant choices. Thirdly, they allow for better plant health. Taller plants at the back won't shade out shorter plants at the front, ensuring all your botanical beauties receive adequate sunlight and air circulation. Finally, from a practical standpoint, layering can also help suppress weeds by creating a denser canopy, and it provides diverse habitats for pollinators and beneficial insects, contributing to a healthier garden ecosystem. It's truly a win-win for both aesthetics and biodiversity. Now for the fun part, decorating your layered flower garden beds to look absolutely stunning. The key is thoughtful planning and a keen eye for aesthetics. Start by considering your desired color palette. Do you prefer a harmonious blend of similar hues, or a vibrant burst of contrasting colors? Once you have your colors in mind, think about texture. Mix broad leaves with delicate foliage, and spiky plants with soft, flowing ones. This interplay of textures adds another layer of visual interest. Don't forget about bloom time. Stagger your plant selection so you have continuous flowers throughout the growing season. Place taller, background plants that provide a strong anchor, then fill in with mid-sized flowers that offer the main color display. Finally, use shorter, front-row plants to create a soft, inviting edge. Consider adding decorative elements like garden rocks, pathway pavers, or subtle lighting to enhance the overall appeal. Mulch is your best friend here, not only for weed suppression but also for creating a clean, finished look that makes your plants pop. Remember, the goal is to create a cohesive and visually pleasing flow that draws the eye through the different layers. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the 16 best layered flower garden design ideas to spark your creativity. One luxurious curved garden bed with stone edging and diverse plantings. This elegant front yard landscape features a beautifully designed, curvilinear garden bed bordered by natural toned stone. The bed is meticulously planted with a variety of shrubs and flowers, creating distinct layers of color and texture. Low-growing white flowers form a soft front edge, while medium-height red and pink flowering plants add vibrant splashes. A beautiful blue-green shrub provides a unique focal point, and carefully pruned evergreen bushes add structure, all leading up to a majestic tree and the stately brick home, showcasing sophisticated layering and curb appeal. 2 vibrant petunia medley with textured stone edging. A close-up view of a vibrant flower bed bursting with a colorful mix of petunias in shades of white, purple, red, and yellow. The bed is neatly contained by an attractive textured stone border, creating a defined edge between the lively blooms and the lush green lawn. In the background, a large bush with bright yellow flowers adds another layer of height and color, enhancing the overall visual appeal of this dynamic garden display. 3. Classic house frontage with multi-layered perennial and annual bed. A charming brick house with large windows is framed by a generously planted, multi-layered flower bed. At the front, a neat row of pink, purple, and white annuals creates a vibrant, low border. Behind them, a mix of medium-height yellow flowering shrubs and diverse green foliage plants add depth. 2 large, mature white rose bushes anchor the ends of the bed, providing height and classic beauty, all contributing to a welcoming and colorful curb appeal. 4. Contemporary home landscape with flowing flower borders. A modern home with classic brick siding is complemented by a beautifully designed, flowing flower bed. This image captures a harmonious blend of vibrant pink, orange, and yellow annuals and perennials that create a graceful curve along the front of the house. Well-trimmed evergreen shrubs provide structure in the midground, while a lush green lawn leads the eye towards a private patio area in the distance, illustrating a well-integrated landscape design with excellent layering. 5. Circular garden island with purple ground cover and varied textures. A stunning circular garden island serves as a focal point in a grassy lawn, encircled by a captivating border of vibrant purple ground cover flowers. Inside this colorful ring, a diverse collection of plants with varying heights and textures creates a lush, naturalistic display, including taller grasses, broad-leafed hostas, and other herbaceous plants. A small bird bath adds a charming accent to the center, all backed by a dense line of trees providing a serene backdrop. 6. Abundant cottage garden with natural stone border. This expansive and inviting garden bed embraces a relaxed cottage garden style, teeming with a diverse array of colorful perennial and annual flowers. A striking central clump of tall, spiky green foliage anchors the design, surrounded by a medley of pink, red, yellow, and purple blooms. The bed is framed by a rustic, irregular stone border that blends seamlessly with the natural landscape, leading up to mature trees that provide a leafy canopy in the background. 7. Elegant curved border with pink and white bloomers. This charming garden bed showcases a beautifully manicured, curved evergreen hedge serving as a lush, deep green backdrop. In front of the hedge, a graceful sweep of light pink and white reblooming flowers creates a soft, continuous border, adding a touch of delicate color against the rich green foliage and well-maintained lawn. The design illustrates excellent layering with varying plant heights and textures. 8. Sophisticated front yard garden with mulch and stone edging. This neatly designed front yard garden bed features a rich, dark mulch base that beautifully contrasts with the vibrant greenery and pops of color. In the foreground, small, neatly trimmed green bushes are interspersed with bright pink flowering plants, creating a structured and appealing lower layer. Taller, lush green shrubs form the background layer against the brick home, and a rustic stone border defines the edge of the bed, adding a touch of natural charm to this well-maintained landscape. 9. Architectural home landscape with contrasting foliage and flowers. This striking garden bed along the side of a modern home emphasizes contrasting foliage colors and textures. In the foreground, a vibrant lime green shrub provides a bright, low-lying layer. Behind it, large, pale green and white caladiums offer a bold, tropical feel. The backdrop is formed by tall, lush green shrubs adorned with clusters of bright pink flowers, creating a dynamic and visually rich layered composition against the light-colored siding of the house. 10. Grand public garden with intricate layered flower beds. This impressive wide shot showcases a meticulously designed public garden, featuring vast sweeping flower beds arranged in intricate, undulating patterns. The foreground displays bold clumps of dark foliage paired with bright yellow and red flowers, creating a dramatic color contrast. Beyond, perfectly manicured lawns lead to more elaborate layered displays of diverse annuals and perennials, in a kaleidoscope of colors, demonstrating professional-level garden layering and mass planting for grand visual impact. 11. Tiered hillside garden with stone walls and lush plantings. This expansive garden features a beautifully constructed tiered design, utilizing natural stone retaining walls to create distinct levels on a gentle slope. Each tier is thoughtfully planted with a variety of green shrubs and colorful flowers, creating a sense of depth and stability. The vibrant green of the lawn in the foreground perfectly contrasts with the organized chaos of the various plants, showcasing a sophisticated solution for gardening on uneven terrain, while maintaining a lush and inviting aesthetic. 12. Sun-drenched side yard with colorful bloomers and evergreens. This bright and inviting side yard garden bed is a riot of color, bathed in natural sunlight. A diverse collection of flowering plants in shades of pink, purple, and white are expertly arranged to create a full and vibrant display. Interspersed with the colorful blooms are various evergreen shrubs, providing year-round structure and a lush green backdrop. The neat edge of the lawn frames the bed, highlighting the rich textures and continuous flow of this well-designed landscape. 13. Rustic garden bed with stone edging and mixed perennials. A charming and naturalistic garden bed defines the edge of a pathway, featuring a rustic border of irregular stones that give it an organic feel. The bed itself is packed with a delightful mix of perennials and possibly some annuals, showcasing a variety of textures and shades of green. Hints of delicate white and pink blooms are visible, suggesting a continuous display of flowers throughout the seasons. This design perfectly blends cultivated beauty with the rugged appeal of natural materials. 14. Manicured front yard with white and purple flower borders. This elegant front yard boasts a meticulously maintained flower bed that enhances the curb appeal of the modern home. A pristine line of pure white flowers forms the lowest layer, creating a crisp, clean border. Behind them, vibrant purple and pink blooms add a pop of intense color, followed by lush green shrubs that provide a strong background and structure. The entire bed is neatly mulched, highlighting the vibrant colors and the precision of the planting, making for a sophisticated and welcoming entrance. 15. Large curved flower bed with bright pink and green foliage. A generously sized, elegantly curved flower bed takes center stage in this outdoor space, brimming with lush vegetation. The foreground is dominated by a vibrant mass of bright pink flowering plants, creating a bold and continuous band of color. Behind these, a variety of green shrubs and other leafy plants provide a verdant, textured backdrop, adding depth and contrast. The healthy green lawn perfectly frames this dynamic bed, emphasizing its sweeping form and rich visual appeal. 16. Picturesque garden pathway lined with diverse bloomers. This inviting garden scene features a charming paved pathway that winds through a series of lush and colorful flower beds. Along the edges of the path, a beautiful array of flowers in various shades of pink, white, and purple create a welcoming border, drawing the eye forward. Beyond the immediate path, taller, more dense plantings add depth and a sense of enclosure, creating a picturesque and immersive garden experience where every step reveals new beauty. As you can see, creating a layered flower garden bed is an art form that brings immense beauty and interest to your outdoor space. It's about thinking vertically, considering texture, color, and bloom time, and designing a living masterpiece that evolves throughout the seasons. With a little planning and the right plant choices, you can transform a simple garden bed into a breathtaking focal point that will be the envy of your neighborhood. Remember, your garden is your canvas, and layered beds give you the tools to create a truly spectacular display. If you enjoyed learning about layered flower garden beds, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring garden ideas and tips. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your favorite plants for layering? Or what garden design topics would you like us to cover next? Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.